In my last video, I mentioned that I'd broken my disc sander, so I found the video. I picked up this old Lowe's branded sander back in the summer off Facebook Marketplace, along with a Craftsman bandsaw and scroll saw for 90 bucks. Great deal. Anyway, I was working on making a peg loom for my wife, and I'll upload that video eventually. Pretty basic stuff, but I had the sander sitting too close to the edge of the table. Richie from the future here. That is not a good place to set that on the table.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Anyway, so, here I'm picking up the mess that I've made. I go and pick up the sander off the floor and try and plug it back in, turn it on, didn't come on. I'm like, oh, what the heck? So I go and grab the switch off the ground and just figure, oh, well, I'll throw it back on there and see what happens. It comes on for a second, but then something else goes clunk inside. So I may be able to save it later. We'll see. But for now, it's sitting on the floor in the corner of the room.